Hey guys, it's Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop, and today I'm introducing the Cranberries and Mistletoe pattern by It's So Emma. And I'm gonna walk you through how to make this block so you can make the quilt too. The pattern is available at Fat Quarter Shop, and we used White Christmas with a touch of grunge for our quilt sample. To start the block, we're gonna make a half square triangle unit. You're gonna take a fabric A and fabric E square from your pattern. Put those right sides together. You're going to draw a line from corner to corner. From there, you're going to stitch a 1/4 inch away from that line, and then you're going to cut on the drawn line. I'm using color 2026 by Arfield today because I think it's a really nice match to the fabric. Your half square triangles are going to look just like this. Then you're going to take a fabric G square and put it on the white corner of your half square triangle unit. This time you're going to stitch on the line, trim a 1/4 inch away, and press. And your corner unit is going to look like this. You're going to make 4 for each block. Our next part is making flying geese, which are super easy, and I'm sure all of you have made them before. You're going to start with a fabric C rectangle, and again your fabric G square. You're going to place this on one end of the rectangle, stitch directly on the line, trim a 1/4 inch away, and press according to your pattern, and it will look like this. Then you're going to add another fabric G square, just like this, stitch directly on the line, trim a 1/4 inch away, and your flying geese will look like this. Then we're going to add a fabric F rectangle to the bottom and press. And when you're making this pattern, you want to press according to the pattern because all of our It's So Emma patterns are written to where all of your seams are going to nest. So pay close attention to that. And you are going to make 4 of these rail units for each block. Now we're going to make our final unit of our block. You're going to take a fabric B square. On one corner, you're going to add a fabric G square. And when you're doing this, when I'm making units like this, I definitely will pin in 2 spots so that when you're sewing, your square doesn't kind of get off center because then your block will not look good. So pin it, stitch directly on the line, trim a 1/4 inch away, and it will look like this. Then you will just continue adding on all corners. And when you're doing this, you really need to add these 2 first, press, and then add the other 2. And your diamond unit is going to look like this, and you just need 1. So this is the very last step in your block. You want to lay out all of your pieces and make sure all of the gray is in the center. You're going to sew together these units, then these, and then press. And then you're going to put them all together to have your Cranberries and Mistletoe block. We had a lot of fun with mixing the White Christmas collection with Grunge, and I would love to know what 2 collections would you mix together to make your block. And make sure to subscribe to the Fat Quarter Shop YouTube channel. We'll see you next time.